So we'll start how to draw a cat. For the beginning thing, we'll draw a circle for its head and divide the circle into four parts, and we'll draw a oblong which forms the cat's body. After this, we'll add a triangle and another triangle of equal size on the top, and in one of the quarter of the circle we'll put eye. Similarly on the other side, eye, and we'll put a triangle which forms its nose, and finally we'll add this mouth. Once done with this, we'll add few more details, add a circle and a oblong which forms its leg. So we'll be adding two parallel lines which forms its anterior legs. Make sure this remain in a straight line, so we'll have to erase the unnecessary line. Now we'll add a tail. After this, we'll add two lines above the eye. I guess the eye is bit above, so we'll draw it below. It should be close to the nose, and we'll put some mustache. So this will be the basic sketch. After this, the thing which we are going to do is we'll use a marker. Just trace the outline. I think I'll be using dark marker instead. This done, we'll add once you finish this, erase, let it dry first, then erase the pencil marks